Herbs in Action. Reflections and stories from the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Botany in Action Fellows, discussing herbs from around the world.
I'm Lydia Soifer. I go to the University of Florida, and I am in an interdisciplinary ecology program. And the herb I'd like to talk about today is bird's nest ferns, and its scientific name is Asplenium nidus. Bird's nest ferns grow throughout the paleotropics, so in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. And these ferns are epiphytes, which are plants that live in the canopies of other trees. So you'll find all of these ferns in trees. So bird's nest ferns are green, and they can range in size, but can be up to close to a meter wide at some of the biggest ones. Bird's nest ferns are shaped like baskets, and so they have a lot of leaves all arranged in a circle, which is also very important for their function. Because they have their leaves arranged in a circle, when leaves fall into them, they stay there and decompose, which creates a really moist, wet soil environment that then creates a very nice little microhabitat for insects and frogs that live in the canopy. And it doesn't just provide a home for those animals in the soil that ends up in its base, it also provides a cool microclimate. And so when it rains, the soil holds onto that moisture, and then as the water slowly evaporates, it cools down the environment inside the fern. I haven't gone into the field to study these ferns, but I've done research on them. They were one of the first plants that I started doing research on for my PhD.
Herbs in Action is a collaboration between Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the Saturday Light Brigade, and is made possible by the Mary Jane Berger Memorial Foundation, dedicated to educating the community about the many benefits and uses of herbs. To hear this feature again, or to learn more about herbs from around the world, visit mjbergerfoundation.org.